Good morning, everybody. Hey, listen, I want to show something to you guys real quick. See it a lot, and it can save you a lot of trouble down the road. It can save you a lot of trouble if you go to resell your home, an expense. And it's just something that's smart to keep up, and I see it on probably 50% of the homes I go to. Look at this. If you look right here, you see the service entrance line. That's the power line. It's right in the middle of your screen, right about there. And it runs all the way up. If you look where it goes, it ends up in the middle of a bunch of trees, and you got tree limbs and all that kind of stuff laying on top of it, and it's applying pressure to that line. All it takes is the wrong gust of wind to rip that out. You have an electrical emergency at that time. You're without power for quite a bit of time, and it's quite an expensive cost out of your pocket to have it repaired. So proper maintenance, a good tree company can keep it cut back, a good landscaper can keep it cut back for you for a fraction of the cost it would take to repair that once it comes out. Hope you guys have a great day. Be blessed.